There are several strategies you can implement to grow your YouTube channel. 1. Create high-quality content. Make sure your videos are well-made, visually appealing, and engaging. Spend time on script writing, editing, and thumbnail creation to make your content stand out. 2. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make it easier for viewers to find your videos. Take advantage of YouTube's search algorithm to increase visibility. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche for collaborations or shoutouts. This can help expose your channel to a wider audience and attract new subscribers. 4. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit to drive traffic to your channel. Join niche-related communities and engage with potential viewers to build a loyal audience. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, listen to feedback, and engage with viewers through live streams or Q&A sessions. Building a community and fostering relationships with your audience can help cultivate loyal subscribers who keep coming back. 6. Optimize your channel page. Create an eye-catching channel banner, write an engaging channel description, and organize your video playlists to make it easy for viewers to navigate and find content they're interested in. 7. Thumbnail optimization. Design visually appealing and clickable thumbnails for your videos. A catchy thumbnail can attract more clicks and increase the chances of viewers watching your content. 8. YouTube SEO. Conduct keyword research to find popular and relevant search terms that you can incorporate into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. 9. Consistency is key. Upload videos on a regular schedule to keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Consistency shows that you are committed to providing valuable content and can help build trust with your audience. 10. Cross-promote with other platforms. Promote your YouTube channel on other platforms like your blog, website, or email newsletter. Direct your existing audience to your YouTube channel to increase views and subscribers. Remember, channel growth takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent and continue experimenting with different strategies to find what works best for your niche and target audience.